Hi guys, welcome back! It's Yantan here. Thanks for joining me in the reading project. Are you ready for my next book? Let's start. Don't Forget Dexter by Lindsay Ward. Hello? Is anyone there? Oh hi, I'm Dexter. Dexter T. Rexter. Can you help me? I'm looking for my best friend Jack. We came here together for a checkup. We were coloring and then I looked up and Jack was gone. It's been a really long time, like forever. Maybe you have seen him. I know. I'll make you a picture. How can you not remember him? He was just here. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to shout. Please don't go. Hey, you think this guy saw him? Excuse me. Hello, Mr. Fish. Have you seen my best friend Jack? I know. I'll ask this lady up there. But she knows where Jack is. Hello, Miss Lady. Can you help me? I know. I'll sing our song. Then Jack will come back and find me. Dexter Dino, stomp through the swamp. Dexter Dino, chomp, chomp, chomp. He'll be here any second. Ha! Maybe you can't hear me. I know. I'll sing louder. Dexter Dino, stomp through the swamp. Dexter Dino, chomp, chomp, chomp. Is he coming? Did you see him? I don't understand. How could he forget me? I sang our song. Why isn't he coming back? Oh no. What if he left me here on purpose? No, this isn't happening to me. I'm Dexter T. Rexter, the toughest, strongest, coolest dinosaur there has ever been. Ever. Right? I mean, look at my tail. See how swishy it is. Swish, swish, swash. And I've got big teeth. Chomp, chomp, chomp. And my claws are pretty sharp. Scratch, scratch, RAWR. And my feet, they make this really cool sound. Listen. Stomp, stomp, stomp. What do you mean? Maybe you like something more than me? Like another toy? Oh no, you don't think? No, not that. Anything but that. Cars and trucks and things that go? I can't compete with that. I can't honk. I can't beep. I can't even make cool raving sounds. Wait, what did you say? You think dinosaurs are awesome? Even better than trucks? Really? Me too. I know. Wait right there. Dexter's super genius escape plan. Lots of determination. Unhelpful spectator. Extra sturdy climbing rope. Grrr. Again. Ah! Splash. What if I never get out of here? No more stomping, no more chomping, no more singing. I love singing. No more playtime, no more bath time, no more bedtime snuggles, no more Jack. He's really never, ever, ever, ever coming back. Dexter, he's back. I knew it. And you were so worried. Dexter Dino, race around the room. Dexter Dino, vroom, vroom, vroom. The end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more stories. Bye for now.